This exercise will make us realize our capabilities and the gaps that we may be able to face, because it's only through simulating scenarios that we will be able to understand the gaps that we would be experiencing.
Idarao sa susunod na buwan ang pinakamalaking Combined Armed Training Exercise o katihan ng Philippine Army, kaaninsabay ng pagdiriwang nito ng ika-127 anibersaryo. Layunin nito na subukin at sanayin ang kahandaan ng Philippine Army sa mga malalaking banta na kinakaharap ng ating bansa.
This exercise is designed to test and hone the determination of the Philippine Army in ensuring its combat readiness and adaptability. Additionally, it functions as a formidable demonstration of the Army's capabilities and unwavering resolve. This exercise not only contributes to the development of the Army, but to underscore the organization's pivotal role in safeguarding the integrity and strength of the Republic it serves.
Ayon kay Philippine Army Commanding General, Lieutenant General Roy Galido, pagtutuunan ng pansin ng Philippine Army sa pagsasanay ang pagdepensa sa external threat.
You'll see this is the more challenging aspect in the area of defense, really sustainment. How do we feed the 4,000 people? How do we supply them? How do we sustain them? This exercise or this undertaking has never been experienced by the Philippine Army, because we got used to dealing internal threats that we can easily sustain small units.
Lalahukan ng 4,000 hanggang 5,000 Army personnel ang nasabing pagsasanay na mula sa Visayas at Mindanao. Bahagi nito ang pagresponde sa malawakang kalamidad gaya ng pagbaha, landslide at maging ng mga cyber attack. Bukod sa Combined Armed Training Exercise o katihan, magkakaroon ng iba't ibang aktibidad ang Philippine Army mula ngayong Pebrero hanggang Marso bilang bahagi ng pagdiriwang. Ilan lamang dito ang cyber skill development, fun run, healthcare fair and blood donation at iba pa. Ang Philippine Army ang pinakamatandang sangay ng sandataang lakas ng Pilipinas, kung saan 70 hanggang 80% nito ang bumubuo ay Army. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.